What if you're the one standing in your own way? In today's Thrive in 5, I'll show you how to identify self-sabotaging behaviors and stop them before they derail your progress.
You are listening to the Thrive in 5 podcast with Cindy Gordon. This is your daily dose of productivity, motivation, and success strategies. I am here to turn your big dreams into actionable goals, one step at a time. Ready to make the most of the next 5 minutes? Let's dive in.
We all want to succeed, but sometimes, even without realizing it, we are the ones holding ourselves back. That's self-sabotage, those behaviors and thought patterns that quietly undermine our goals. The good news? You can stop self-sabotage before it starts. Today, I'll share with you how to recognize the signs, shift your mindset, and build habits that support your success. The first thing we're going to talk about is identifying common self-sabotaging behaviors. So we want to recognize what it looks like. Common signs include procrastinating on important tasks, especially when you're close to a goal. Perfectionism, waiting until something is absolutely perfect before moving forward. Negative self-talk is another one. That is when you say something like, I'm not good enough, or I don't deserve this. Overcommitting is another one. You overcommit to avoid focusing on your own priorities. If any of these resonate with you, don't worry, you're not alone. Awareness is the first step in making a change. Next, we want to understand the root cause. Self-sabotage often stems from deeper fears, like a fear of failure or even a fear of success. Ask yourself, what am I afraid might happen if I succeed? Why do I hesitate to take the next step? Digging into these fears helps you see self-sabotage for what it is, a defense mechanism trying to protect you from discomfort. Once you understand the root cause, you can start to reframe it. Instead of focusing on potential failure, shift your mindset to focus on growth and learning. Replace self-sabotaging thoughts with empowering ones, such as, I don't have to be perfect, I just need to make progress, or every small step is a step closer to my goal. Another great one is I am capable of learning and I am improving as I go. When you challenge negative self-talk, you take away its power and build confidence in your ability to succeed. Action is the antidote to self-sabotage. You need to start small, pick a manageable task that moves you forward. For example, if you're procrastinating, set a timer for 10 minutes and work on the task. If you're overwhelmed, break the project into smaller steps and focus on just one. These small wins build momentum and remind you that progress doesn't have to be perfect to matter. It's important to create accountability. Self-sabotage thrives in isolation, so involve others in your journey. Share your goals with someone you trust, an accountability partner, a coach, a mentor, a friend, someone who can support you and encourage you. Knowing someone else is cheering you on makes it harder to fall back into your self-sabotaging habits. Self-sabotage is often rooted in fear, but it's also a habit that you can change. By recognizing the signs, challenging the negative thoughts, and taking small actions, you can break the cycle and build habits that support your success. So to recap, here is how to stop self-sabotage before it even starts. First, you need to be able to recognize the common behaviors like procrastination and perfectionism. You need to understand the fears that are driving those behaviors and reframe your mindset. I want you to take accountability by sharing your goals with someone who supports you. These little mini steps can help you beat self-sabotage. You don't have to be perfect to succeed. You just have to show up for yourself. Start today and watch how the small shifts lead to big results. You've got this.
Thanks for tuning in to the Thrive in 5 podcast. If you found value in today's episode, I'd love for you to leave a review. It helps more listeners discover the show. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a dose of productivity, motivation, and success tips. And hey, share this episode with a friend that could use a little extra inspiration. Until next time, keep thriving and remember, you've got this.